Case Maxim.
Right.
It's a Magnum anyway. He was baling.
Oh, you.
Oh.
I just, as I said, it's.
They're all going down the hill now with Thomas's way with the 399 down the bottom of the hill there.
How do you get there then?
I think Ian will know where they're at.
Aye. Oh, I'll have a wee bit wander here. I'm not going in the shed, I don't want.
It doesn't matter to me. You
Doesn't
can
matter.
you want, don't bother.
How long is it since you've used the Jones baler then?
Maybe 2 years ago.
It's not really up.
Nah, but I haven't got steam coming out of it or anything like that, you know, or pistons in it.
Aye. So that's for Graham Ray's baler at one time, because
We bought it of Graham Ray.
he actually doesn't really.
He's
not into baling now at all.
No, he bought it with the intentions of doing odd small bales for folk, but he never ever used it, I don't think. And well, when he bought it, he always said every time every summer it pissed down. He's never got used, so it never got used. So that was that. And he sold it. Thomas bought it off him, and we've done a hell of a bales in here. And
right.
Not only that, we bought round bales and broke them up. And put it through there and all.
Right.
It's done unbelievable bales, but it still goes. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a spare.
Hi Ian.
Hi, we good, George.
All right.
Just took time 800 bales to start.
All right.
Hey, Ian, do you know where they are down there or not? And how to get there?
Through that gate. Turn right, I think.
Right.
Through the gate and turn right.
I'm going to go back up because there's a silage effluent there. I didn't want that in my car.
All right.
Right. Right, Ian, I'll let you get on.
Down the bottom of the hill anyway. And Thomas is rowing up with his rower upper on the 399.
Right.
And he's got the case on the New Holland baler.
And he's got the baling, aye.
And he's baling, and then we're going to take that down and bale with it later as well.
Right.
But we're going to stack all these away first because what's the rate the weekend, so.
Right.
I'm looking for a bale spike.
Aye, anyway, I've missed all the action seemingly. Had to take my wife to the doctor's this afternoon, but I do believe they're going to be baling another field, so hopefully get that at some stage. Anyway, the gentleman's saying that this used to belong to Graham Ray Agri Services, Graham Ray agricultural contractor. And anyway, I bought it off him. It's been used for, done many bales since then. I don't see too many Jones balers honestly, but it's I think they might going to be using it later on. It's a Jones baler Mark 12.T or whatever. Aye, what a job finding them. But anyway, I was quite lucky. I did find DW Agri at another farm there, just in the last few rows of the field there. Never actually seen, I don't think, an International 445D small square baler, and Brown's what do you call them? Come on. Bale collector, whatever. So, and I've got a Ford across there with a small bale wrapper on it as well. I've never seen one of those before. But here we have a Massey Ferguson 399 with the Massey Ferguson loader there. It's a G469 ESW, whatever age that makes it, not so sure, but maybe find out. So I came past here and actually came past the farm, didn't actually know what it was, and anyway, the bonus was I got to DW Agri and some silage just across there. There's a tidy old bus. It's got a brand new tyres on the front, I would say. Anyway, I'll make that do. Ian coming is going to be stacking the bales, so I believe anyway. One of the lads, probably Brooke Johnson, that's making all that noise. Not unusual. So we live in a very, very nice part of the country. The trailer for carting the bales today. So I'll just take a walk down to the fence here. So there's quite a few fields that look like they're just being lifted for silage or hay. Down to my right hand side, and we're looking back onto the M74, looking towards Ecclefechan there.